Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have square root of c plus square root of minus c is equals to 4, and we solve this problem for all the values of c. So here first we need to remove the square root sign on both of these two terms, and we get the values of c. So the very first step we are going to do is first we need to move the term square root of minus c to the right hand side, and we will get square root of c is equals to 4 minus square root of minus c. And now in order to remove the square root sign, we take squaring on both of the sides, so that we apply squaring here. And now further in the next step we need to use here the nice algebraic formula. You know about that. If we have a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2 times of ab plus b square. So here we apply this formula to the right hand side, and we write the left hand side as this 2 and square root are gone, and we get c is equals to, and in the right hand side we apply this nice formula. So this will be written as 4 square minus this is 2 times of 4 into square root of minus c plus this is a square root of minus c and its whole square. And now further in the next step we need more simplifications here, and we get c is equals to, this is 4 square, and 4 square becomes 16 minus this is 2 times 4 becomes 8 times of square root of minus c plus this 2 and this square root are gone, and here we get minus c only. So further in the next step we need to use here the nice algebraic formula. We need to more simplification here, and we get 16 minus a times of square root of minus c. You see that this is plus times minus becomes minus c. And now further in the next step we need to move minus c from right hand side to the left hand side, and we get c plus c is equals to 16 minus 8 times of minus square root of c. So further we move the term 16 to the left hand side, and we get c plus t becomes 2c minus 16 is equals to minus a times of square root of minus c. So you see that on both of the sides each of these terms is divisible by 2, so we divide each of these terms by 2 and we write it in this form. So this 2 and this 2 are gone, and we get c minus this is 2 times 8 becomes 16, this is 2 times 4 becomes 8, and we get minus 4 times of square root of minus c. So here you see that in the left hand side we remove the square root sign, but now we are ready to remove the square root sign from right hand side. So for this we again take squaring on both of the sides. Okay, so in the left hand side we again apply here this nice formula. So according to this formula we write the left hand side as, this will become c square minus 2 times of c into 8 plus 8 square equals to, in the right hand side we apply this square sign separately on both of these two values, and we write in this way, this is square root of minus c. And now here we need more simplifications here, and we get c square minus 2 times 8 becomes 16c plus this 8 square becomes 64 is equals to, this is minus 4 square becomes 16, this 2 and square root are gone, and we get minus c only. And now in the next step we have c square minus 16c plus 64, and you see that here we have 16 times of minus c. We move these terms to the left hand side, and we get plus 16c, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now you see that this is plus 16c, this is minus 16c are cancelled out by each other, and we get c square plus 64 is equals to 0. And now in the next step we move the term plus 64 to the right hand side, and we get c square is equals to minus 64. And now further in the next step in order to remove this square sign, we take square root on both of the sides, and we get c square and its square root is equals to square root of minus 64. Now you see here this 2 and this square root are cancelled out by each other and we get c is equals to, here we apply the square root sign separately on both of these two values and we get square root of 64 into square root of minus 1. Also you see here we apply square root on both of the sides, so that we write here plus minus sign on each of the side, on any one of the sides, so we write it into the right hand side. And further we have c is equals to plus minus, we know that square root of 64 becomes 8. Also you see here square root of minus 1 is equals to iota. So finally you see here we get these are the two complex roots of the given equation, and here you see that we cannot get any real root of the given equation. So I hope so you like this method, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.